On me. 5, 4, 3. Wait, never mind. Just hammer. Take space northeast, boys. Take space northeast. Actually, yeah. We chill now. Def ready.
Looking, shallow.
Def, that's very obvious, boys. Why we don't have any defensive there. Okay, Micron. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Micron now.
Nice.
Good. Go back. Hammer this one.
Careful south.
Meron na engage ulit. Meron na engage.
Yo, listen. When we walk in, I need D-Tank heavy mace on the shaper, okay? Def.
Looking.
5 seconds, engage.
Tara pa?
Okay.
Get ready headbutt, okay? Ready
Hindi,
headbutt,
mas-silence ko, patabi lang na.
Get ready headbutt. Yo, on the gate, wait. Don't golem, okay? Wait. Def. On the gate, southeast, 5, 4, 3,
Silencing.
2, 1. Southeast now.
Ako pati
Caller
ko.
will.
Yo, please, man, please. Go northeast.
Looking shallow, na. Magkiklik out sila lagi.
Def. Pull up. Hold them.
Two bombs coming, shaper.
Shaper. Go.
One more shaper.
Yo, heal. Hammer now. We're gonna walk in, okay? DPS, tell me your
Bastion
cooldowns.
resetting.
3 seconds. 3 seconds.
Oh my god.
Okay, kill the guards. I'm gonna pull the guards, boys. Okay, I'm gonna pull the guards. Hold here.
Careful.
Okay,
north.
pero
Kill
mga
the
tayo now.
guards. Kill the guards.
Cheater.
Solo bomb.
Yo, bam. On me, 5, 4, 3, 2, on me now.
Okay, remounting ako.
Ayun, cheater. Sabi mo.
Yo, he died. Heal. They're gonna shallow on you, boys. Qs and Ws on this. I'm gonna try to pull. Wait.
Yun bomb ng palaaban.
Def, ready. Wait.
Be careful.
First tayo nga south ah.
One shot
Okay,
top,
okay.
so be careful.
Yo, boss Mark, dili ra ka kay mo kidnap ko kaning corn shit ba? Kita ana niya? O kanina lang. Kanina lang 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us. Kill this guy. Good. Now, Def. I drop Judy.
No, they're looking.
Good. Okay, walk. How many seconds si Pes? Walk. Walk in.
10 seconds.
Okay, walk in. Just walk in. Give me fakes now. Walk in, boys.
Sige, nasa gitna rin ako.
Yo, shaper coming, okay? Walk in now.
Okay, shaper from west side.
Yo, walk inside. Go inside. Deep west. I'm gonna fake west side. Deep west, southwest on me, get ready. 5, 4, 3,
Silence
2,
ko.
1. Deep west. And spread and brawl here. Yo, heal up. Go northeast.
Looking
Go east. Take space on the east. We clear the guards, okay? Slowly clear the guards.
Southwest bomb.
Qs and Ws.
Sige, lahat sila nasa southwest.
Ditang hold them.
Looking inching up.
Ge. Ditang hold them. Qs and Ws, boys.
They have in 5.
Yeah.
Ayun na, magiging shallow.
No shallow. They
Yo, inside. 5, 4, 3,
Silence
2,
ko.
1. Inside. Kill this guy, please. Okay, Qs and Ws on the map. Hold this position. Yo, foot check.
Southwest sila lahat.
Bro,
Southwest sila
come
lahat.
northeast. My OC.
Inching up pa, naklik ng
Yo,
kita.
come northeast. Putang ina, nag-OC break ako. Come northwest.
Walang boots.
Oh,
Do you guys looted like boots or something? Give me. Come northeast.
Yo, what?
Anyone?
Oh, he can trade.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is red, bro. Anyone?
Yung akin na lang. Gusto mo? Bastion lang naman
Yo,
ako.
Def ready. Yan.
Looking Looking northeast sa inyo.
Okay.
Katabi nyo na.
Trade me OC. Come northeast.
Wala sila pa kay.
Come northeast. Come east. Yo, I didn't GG. We fight. East side. Tell them fight. Come southeast. Kite southeast. Keep kiting. Tell me if they're following. Keep kiting southeast. Kite southeast.
They're following.
Trade though.
Okay.
They're holding a castle.
Okay, trade me.
Don't worry. If they kiting,
You can trade me.
Ayos ang buka.
Looking shallow.
no shallow.
Silence ko.
Yo. Yo, on me.
Tapos ka na ba? Cool down ka na ba?
Trade me.
Matagal one trade.
Gago, wala pre. Yori OC boys, don't forget. Don't be like me. Come.
Wala kami.
Ready. Come southwest. Hold now. Hold. Come southwest. Kaya mo silence yan?
Oo, ready na ako.
Sige.
Pasukin mo na ba? Katabi ko na lahat. Ayun na!
Yo, daf.
Silence mo!
Walk in, guys. Walk in.
Silence ko.
Walk in southwest. Keep going southwest. On the gate southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go for it. No.
Nice, na-stop yung Shaper.
Come
Two Shapers got stop.
Come northeast.
Sakto mo tugod.
Come northeast. Yo, overweight. Okay, no.
Looking.
Daw.
5 seconds.
No, walk in, guys. Walk in. On the gate.
Kaya ko silence yung southwest ng gate nila.
On the gate. Southwest. 5, 4,
Silencing na ako sa gate.
Mino. Nice one.
Oh.
And go northeast. Okay, go northeast. Good.
Remount ako.
Yo, def. Heal. Come inside. Now find me southwest. Look at southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Good. Now kill. And go northeast. Ditang, hold them. Go northeast. Def ready. Def. Now go northeast. Qs and doubles inside. Okay, go northeast. We wait for battle mount. Come northeast.
Bastion resetting to.
Come northeast. You get ready, Def. My ditang, you didn't need to like very far away from us, okay? Come northeast. Qs and doubles in this map.
Looking shallow.
Yo, southwest.
Ayun na.
Get ready, southwest. Okay, I'm gonna fake
Fake pa
southwest. Come. Wait.
Okay, magsa-silence ako.
Okay, southwest on me. 5, 4, 3,
Sa-silence kayo, okay.
Mino. Go northeast. Please heal the caller, enemy caller. Don't kill. Go northeast.
Looking rin,
Go northeast. Go northeast. Def.
Shaper.
Heal. Walk. Walk in. How many seconds? Walk in.
Lahat nasa southwest mo.
Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. 5 seconds. Okay, go back. My bad. Come northeast. We kite.
Looking.
Looking na. Inching up na lahat.
Engage.
Def ready.
Maglulok na shallow over the wall din.
Guard run fan. Come northeast. Qs and W is in this guy. Bro, he assassinated on us. Qs and W. 3, 2, 1. On me now. Kill him.
Nagiging shallow.
Yo, kill him. Okay, go northeast.
Shallow.
Okay, tell me when you're cool.
Malaking southwest mo ah.
Sige
Lahat
lang,
nakatabay
wala-
sa gate lang.
Wala akong cooldown. Come south.
Inching na sila ulit sa inyo.
Come south. Listen, come south.
Southwest mo.
Come south.
Balik sa
Guys, we're gonna walk into the gate, okay, southwest. Okay, we're gonna walk into the gate southwest. Wait. Okay, wait. Get ready. Walk in, okay? Walk in. Ditang, walk into them.
Lungin sila shallow.
Ditang, walk into them.
Stop ko na, silence ko na.
Boss fake.
Shapers na kayo, west.
Yo, on the gate. 5. Walk in.
Silencing the gate.
Look at the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's fucking big on the gate. Hit the gate. Good. Go northeast.
Yo, looking. Engage.
Looking now.
Def.
Shallow.
Good. Pre, saan yung guards na buhay pa, pre? Kakap ko sana castle eh. Saan yung guards?
Sa baba, south mo.
South.
Okay, come south. Come inside south. Ditang hold them. They have engage, okay? They have engage. Come south. Clear the guard southeast. We try to finish this fast, okay? We wipe them. Get ready. We play serious now. Qs and W. We can kill the caller now. Don't hesitate. Get ready, Def. Yo, my crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My crown now. Kinikill him.
Okay, namounting na ako.
Okay, go east.
Changing na.
Yo, def ready front. Guard runes front. Careful. Guardy pots. Pots. Oh, he died. We chill. Qs and doubles on the guards, boys. Did you kill the guard already or no? Okay, Lord. Is it Lord?
Lord.
Okay, kill the Lord. Keep
5
the
second
Lord
engage,
down.
meron na.
Yo, boys, Ditang, they're gonna farm you there, okay? Once we cap the castle, we full push them. Q's and W's on the Lord. Saan yung Lord? Hindi ko makita.
Ito, northwest head.
Yo, come southeast. Pull the guard southeast. Red, pull the guard southeast. Yo, get ready, def. Def ready. Wait. Guys, we're gonna look on the gate southwest, okay? I'm gonna fake. Walk now. Look at the gate, okay? Look at the gate. Walk. CC them on the gate. Now, shallow on me.
Shapers sa akin yung
Silence kayo,
west.
gate.
4, 3, 2, 1. On me now.
Shapers sa akin west.
On me now. Okay. Go east. Boss Mark, sakuha ka. Gusto ka.
Gani.
Kamis.
They have in 3
Kamis.
seconds.
Kamis.
They have in 3 seconds.
Drop eh. What ay na-tell game?
Come east.
Looking inching up flat.
Def ready.
Facing you.
Def ready. Q's and W's on the Lord, please. Q's and W's on the Lord.
Heal me
Yo,
please.
kill this bedrock. Come east, southeast. Q's and W's on the Lord. Where's the Lord? Yo, def ready. Careful Ditang, okay? If you don't have gig pass, don't go front. We're gonna kill their Ditangs,
Hitching
okay?
up.
We're gonna kill their Ditangs. Q's and W's on the Lord. Just chill. Wait, they're gonna shallow soon over the wall. Careful.
Nasa pinaka-west lang sila.
Careful. Q's and W's. Boss Mark, butang sa east. Ikaw ang agro.
Sige.
Kill na. Yo, on me, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Nice. And kill the Lord.
Shaper coming, west side.
I'm dropping Judy on the north. Now kill the Lord now. They don't have anything. Kill the Lord on the northeast.
Third generation.
Yo, do not suck like that. Like spread a little bit.
They're locking.
Okay, def ready. Q's and
Changing
W's
up.
on the Lord. Q's and W's on the Lord.
West side mo pa rin.
Yo, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Don't kill, please. Okay, kill the Lord.
Ayun na, mag-engage sila. Wait.
Def ready.
Nagiging shallow.
Yo, Q's and W's on this guy. On the Lord. Come east. Q's and W's on the Lord. Wake up. When they brawl with us here, we kill the brawler inside. Ditang, watch my west.
Fake.
Tayo yun, Lord.
Okay, kill. Okay, cap.
No choice sila.
West side gate.
Cap. Get ready, def. They're gonna try to suicide here. We're gonna walk into them. We're gonna fully walk into them, okay?
Looking na.
Def, ready.
Silence ko.
Def. I need one guy to cap. Cap. Come southwest. Cap the terry.
Quick na.
Wait. Come southwest. Walk into them. Walk. Click the gate, Ditang.
Silence ko to, ah.
5, 4, 3, 2, to the gate. Now push. Push inside, push them.
Patay may shaper din, no?
Come southeast.
Dalawa sila.
Walk.
No
Southeast,
GG, no?
southeast.
Mag-
No GG.
no GG.
Come southwest. CC them. Keep catching them. Catch the shaper.
Yes,
3-7 shaper.
Shaper,
Catch them. Yo, on me. Go back to the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Good job.
Fucking
Now,
Shaper here, King.
Shaper.
Full catch him. They're running now.
I will dismount Bourbon.
Shaper.
Catch him.
Sige lang,